In this video, we are going to see what is looping statements in JavaScript. Here, what is looping statements? Before discussing the looping statements, we have to discuss what is loop. Loop is nothing but a sequence of instructions executed repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. This is particularly useful when we want to print so many numbers. Then we use loop. It's not possible to write the statement for each and every number. If we want to print the numbers continuously up to 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then we use looping statements. There are 4 types of looping statements generally. Here not 3, here 4. For loop, this is the basic loop in all that is present in all languages. Here syntax of for loop is for is the keyword, then open the brace, then take the initialization value, then put the semicolon, then paste the comparison operator, then again put the semicolon, then increment and decrement the variable, then paste the statements in for loop and quarter the loop. Here what is while loop means. The while loop is also called empty control loop because it checks the condition first before going to print the statements. Like if statements is first to check the condition before printing the statements. That's why it is called empty control loop. Here syntax of while loop is while open the base, then paste the condition, then open the base, then statements semicolon, then increment semicolon, then quarter the base. This is the basic syntax of while loop. And what is do while loop means? The do while loop is also called exit control loop. Here why do while loop is called exit control loop means it checks the condition at the last of the loop. That means whatever the value that is printed first, after printing the value, then it checks the given condition. If the condition is satisfied, and then again print the value, then again check the condition. Then if the condition is satisfied, then again print the value and check the condition. Like this, the loop is repeated. It checks the condition at the last of the loop. That's why this is called exit control loop. What is for each loop means? This is advanced enhanced version of for loop. Generally, the for each loop is used to print the array data types, linked list data types. To print the array and linked list data types, we use for each loops. Here the syntax of for each loop is, here I am using the array and data type. That's why I am pasting the array dot. Here for each is the keyword. Here there is one note point. After writing the for keyword, each is started with the capital letter. That is, here E is the capital letter. Then open the base, then paste the variable, then paste the arrow, then again open the base, then statements semicolon, then quarter the bases. Now let us see example program for loop. Here I am pasting the for loop in keep to tag. I am taken the variable I and increase the value 1, and then I am pasting the condition then I am basing the increment. Here what happened means the initialization of I value is 1. That is for I variable I given the value 1. Here it check the condition first. If the I value is smaller than 5, then it prints the I value. Then again after printing it comes to for loop and again check that I equal to 2, then it checks 2 less than or equal to 5. If the condition is true, then it again prints the message that is value. After printing the value again I comes to for loop, then checks the after incrementing the value, then again it checks the value I equal to 3. Then again it check the condition. If 3 less than or equal to 5, then it prints the value. Then again it increment. Then again it check the value. Like this, the for loop works. Now let us see the output. Here the output will be here. You can see the control is present. In control, the numbers are printed. You can see it prints up to 5 numbers. This is the error for loop. And now let us discuss what is while loop. Here this is the example program for while loop. Here what happens means, here first condition is checked. If the value I value is lesser than the given comparison value, then it prints the message. After printing the message, it comes down and increments the value. That is, the 1 will be increment to 2. Then again it goes. Then again it checks the value 2 less than or equal to 5. If the condition is true, then again it prints the value. Then again check the condition. Like this, the while loop will work. Now let us see the output. The value is printed up to 5. Why the values are printed in the console means, here we use console.log method. That's why the values is printed in the console. Now let us see the do while loop. This is the example program for do while loop. Here I am taken j variable and include the value of j variable as 1. Then I take do while loop. First I am pasting the do keyword, then open the base, then statement, then increment, then code the base while condition. Here what happens means, first the value is printed, then again it check the condition. Like this, the do while loop will work. Now let us see the output. Here you can see up to 5 numbers. The do while loop will be printed. This is the error of do while loop. The major difference between while loop and do while loop is, in while loop we check the condition first, but in do while loop we check the condition after printing the statement. This is the major difference. Now let us see example program first. In keep that I am taken the array with the name foods and paste the foods dot for each, then write the function. Why? Because this is user defined array that is created by ourselves. It is not predefined array. It is user defined array. That's why here we paste function and then paste the print statement. Here, one after another, the elements are printed Now let us see the output. Here you can see the elements are printed one after another. This is the use of loops. Hope you understand. If you understand this video and give a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.